I'm from San Marcos, and I was picking up my son and a carpool from middle school, and a car coming the opposite direction lost control and went through the median. The car hit us, and when we came to a stop, that's when we noticed that there was a giant tree trunk in our car that had come through the windshield and struck my son in the front seat. We went over to the side of the road, and paramedics came, and we ended up having to take him to emergency in the ambulance. So he ended up having 3 broken bones in his hand and all kinds of lacerations in his hand, and a cut on his shoulder, a cut across his face, just from the corner of his eye down to the side of the face, and then he ended up having to have about 15 or 20 stitches in his ear because it had ripped it. I was actually at the ball field about 3 or 4 days later at my other son's game, and I ran into somebody who we were talking about it, and I was showing pictures, and they said that I should pursue a lawsuit or, you know, some type of compensation. People had talked about Randy, and I had actually known him from the past, and I remembered that he was a lawyer. Just knowing the name and him being, you know, a big name in San Marcos, I figured that would be my best bet. Randy was great. I've never gone through any of this before. I have no clue about doing any kind of lawsuit against anybody. He was very good about explaining it to the family, all of us. You know, told Trevor, we're gonna, you know, see what we can do to help you, try to get you through college. You know, he had a baseball career, and this could have really done some damage to him. You know, we tried to file a complaint and settle it through just the insurance company, and they were not very helpful. They did not come through with much, and so Randy said that we should decline what their offer was and pursue a lawsuit, which ended up being a great deal for us because he probably, I think it was 6 or 7 times the amount that they offered that we ended up getting for Trevor. Yes, I'm very pleased with how Randy handled it, how he was able to get us a settlement that will help Trevor through college and help him start off a good life. I definitely would recommend Randy Walton for any case. He was wonderful, easy to work with, and especially if you have a minor, he was very easy for Trevor to feel comfortable.